10 amazing facts about fireflies. 1. Bioluminescent wonders. Fireflies are known for their enchanting bioluminescence. The light they emit is the result of a chemical reaction that takes place in their abdomen, producing a glow without heat, making them one of the few insects capable of such natural illumination. 2. Chemical light production. The light produced by fireflies is a cold light, meaning it doesn't produce heat. This efficient form of light is created through a process called bioluminescence, where the enzyme luciferase reacts with oxygen to produce light. 3. Species diversity. There are over 2,000 different species of fireflies worldwide, and each species has its own unique flash pattern. These flashes are used for communication and mating purposes, with males and females using specific patterns to identify each other. 4. Flash synchronization. In some firefly species, males synchronize their flashes during courtship displays. This phenomenon creates a mesmerizing light show where thousands of fireflies flash in unison, lighting up the night in a coordinated dance. 5. Short lifespan. Despite their captivating displays, the adult firefly's life is relatively short, lasting only a few weeks. Their primary focus during this time is finding a mate and reproducing, as they often don't eat during their adult stage. 6. Larval glow. While the adult fireflies are famous for their light displays, firefly larvae are also bioluminescent. However, their glow serves a different purpose, usually as a warning to predators that they are toxic and should be avoided. 7. Global distribution. Fireflies can be found on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in various habitats, from forests and fields to marshes and gardens, showcasing their adaptability to different environments. 8. Chemical communication. Fireflies use pheromones in addition to their light signals for communication. The release of specific chemicals helps them attract mates and establish territories. This dual communication method enhances their chances of successful reproduction. 9. Predatory efficiency. Firefly larvae are voracious predators, feeding on snails, slugs, and other small insects. They inject their prey with digestive enzymes before consuming them, making them effective hunters in controlling pest populations. 10. Conservation concerns. Fireflies are facing threats from habitat loss, light pollution, and pesticide use. The decline in firefly populations raises concerns about the potential ecological impact, as they play essential roles in various ecosystems, including pollination and pest control.